So when we talk of decision making, everybody speaks of decision making and problem solving. And I want to emphasize that problem solving is not decision making. Problem solving relates to identifying potential solutions. Decision making is exclusively focusing on selecting one of those options to implement. So we can't handle the two of them. Many leaders, they don't solve problems, they make decisions. Another thing is to ask ourselves, why do we have to make decisions? It's because of something called change. Change happens or we initiate change. That requires us to face conflicts. And those conflicts lead to problems and opportunities. While they could present themselves as problems, they also create opportunities. And then when you find solutions, you have to make a decision on which one you implement. And all decisions are driven by a need for us to be happy. Nobody makes decisions to be sad. So I can confidently say that change triggers the need for decisions, and we make decisions to be happy at the end of the day. And it's very important to understand that. And there are many types of decisions we make. For example, we have multi-criteria decisions, where we have to deal with a multitude of candidates and a multitude of criteria. We also have uncertainty involved. These are what I call probabilities. And here again you have to be very careful between what we call event probability and impact probability. If I were to tell you tomorrow it's going to rain and ask you if you're going to take an umbrella, most people will say yes. But if it rains somewhere else, why should you? There's no impact on you. Likewise, we have to factor in the impact probability and the event probability. And when we bring these, what we call multiple probabilities, it begins to be a very different problem. So these are the kinds of things that we have to face when we face decisions. Uncertainty is inherent. And once again, remember, all decisions are uniquely personal and reflects your feelings. I cannot make a decision for you, but I can guide you to make the right decision. And there are methodology. And if you're just relying on common sense and gut feel and intuition, beware. It will let you down when it comes to serious decisions.